Hi, and welcome to my Flickr tutorial. Flickr is a website for hosting images and videos, and it's an online community. Users upload personal photos and videos, comment on other uploads, tag the media for searchability, and organize the media into thematic groups. Users can browse the content of the site but must create an account to upload media. It features over 51 million registered members, and by 2011 it was host to more than 6 billion images. There is no size limit for Flickr accounts. Flickr also has a mobile app for iOS, Android, and Windows Phone 7. And here's a brief history of Flickr. Flickr was created in 2004 by a company called Ludicorp as a chat room and photo exchanging site. As the site evolved, more focus was placed on photo storage and exchange, and the chat room eventually disappeared. Flickr was acquired by Yahoo in 2005 for $35 million. Along with Shutterfly, Kodak Gallery, and Snapfish, Flickr became one of the replacement repositories available to Yahoo Photos users when the latter application was shut down in 2007. Users who migrated their photos to Flickr received a 3-month pro account. These are some of the features of Flickr. First is accounts. There are two types of accounts, free and pro. Free accounts allow uploads of 300 megabytes and 2 videos per month, and only 200 photos can display at a time in the photo stream. Free users can contribute to up to 10 photo groups. Uploads to pro accounts are unlimited, and users can contribute photos to as many as 60 groups. There are no ads, and users can view their account statistics. Pro is $24.95 a year. Groups are pools of photos from various contributors centered around a common theme. Any user can create one and request that photos be added to the group. With organization, you can add tags or keywords to your photos when you upload them. The more tags you add, the more ways there are in which others will see your photos based on the search data they enter. You can also organize your photos into sets according to theme, much like adding them to a folder. One photo can belong to multiple sets according to your needs or wishes. Now I'm going to walk you through some of Flickr's basic functionality, and these are the things I think would be most pertinent in an educational setting. We're going to learn about signing in, the photo stream, searching for photos, uploading photos, creating a set, and inviting other Flickr users. Signing in and the photo stream. Now to get to Flickr, you can just type www.flickr.com into your browser, but I'm going to go in by way of Yahoo so you can see their connection. So let's go to yahoo.com. And here's the Flickr icon, so we click that. Now we click Sign In. And you see that you can sign in with Google, Facebook, or Yahoo credentials. I'm going to enter my Yahoo credentials and sign in. And here is the main Flickr interface. You can see up here is where my Flickr ID is displayed. Down here is my photo stream, which is all the photos I have uploaded so far to my own account. And this is how an individual photo from the photo stream is displayed. Here is the date the photo was taken and the camera that I used. Here's the number of views and comments my photo has received so far. And here again is my photo stream, and you can see that I can browse through it. Here are the groups to which this photo belongs. Here are the tags I've applied to this photo, and I can delete these or add new ones. And down here is the comments section. You see that I have one comment from another user on this photo, and you can see here also that this photo was added to 2 groups. Now I didn't seek out these groups. I received and accepted invitations from both of them to have my picture included. If you create a group, you can seek out photos you think will complement your group and send invitations to the users who host them. Searching for photos. To search for photos, we go up to the search field and type in a search term. Click Search, and you see that several options come up. Let's click one. And down here in the comments section is a field for leaving comments, so let's leave one. Now we see that our comment's been added to the list. Uploading photos. To upload photos, we want to click Upload. Click Choose Photos and Videos to upload. And select a photo from your hard drive. There's the one I want. Now from the menu here on the left, we can add a title. We can actually change the title that it's got, but I'm going to leave it as it is. Here I'll add a description. We can add some tags for people to search on. Now I don't want to add any people or add it to sets or groups at this time, so I'm going to jump down to the owner settings, and we see here that I have no copyright on this photo, and I've made it visible to everyone, so anybody browsing through Flickr is able to see this photo. And once I've decided that this is the way I want everything, I come up here and click Upload One Photo. Click Upload to Photo Stream. Now we see that the photo has been added to my photo stream. Creating a set. Now to create a set, go to your photo stream and click the U link. Click Sets. It appears I don't have any sets, so let's make one. Click the Go to the Organizer link. Now we're going to drag the photos that we want in our set up here to this space. And all of my photos are of the Bluebird restaurant, so they are all grouped thematically. When you're done, you want to give your set a name. And then give it a description down here. Click Save. And there's your set. Inviting people. Now to invite other people to see your photos, you want to click Contacts. Over here, click Find Your Friends. And click Invite. And here under the first item in the email address, I'm going to have you enter Mark's email address. You're going to be inviting him to see your photo stream. So let's put Mark Saltern at, and in the name field we'll put the name of the person we're inviting. And over here in the Your Name field, it's got my username now, but to make myself more identifiable to somebody who's not necessarily registered on Flickr, I'm going to put my first name, and this is what I want you to do as well. Now down here is the body of the invite that's going to be sent, and it's got some default text. I want you to alter that just a little bit. We can get rid of that. Over here I want you to write, enter your own first name here, from ITLS 5105. I want to share my Flickr photo stream with you. And down here, click Send. And that is how you will submit your assignment to Mark after you've completed it. Now this is admittedly the most basic use of Flickr. The question is, how can these features be applied in an educational setting? Think of some of these subjects. There's graphic design and tools like Photoshop. There's photography, art, fashion design, architecture. These are all subjects dealing in visual arts in some form, and with Flickr you have a searchable, highly organized repository for your work. This becomes a resource for display and comparison purposes. Instructors and other students have easy access to your body of work and have the means to comment on it and critique it. Instructors can also create sets to illustrate concepts or provide visual instruction. Any example you want to give visually can be done in Flickr. Any of these classes listed here can use Flickr from the instructor side for showing students what kind of work is expected of them, or even examples to avoid. But let's look even farther out than the obvious examples. For instance, let's say you teach drama and you're doing a production and you want to give the students an idea of what you want for sets or costumes. You can gather photos that exemplify what you are trying to convey and create sets for them that the students can then view. Coupling these pictures with the written word in the description field creates a more powerful teaching tool, and you can use variations on this method to teach social studies, history, or any other subject that has been documented visually. So here is your assignment for Flickr. First, I want you to sign in with any of the credentials that you may have, Yahoo, Facebook, Google, whatever it'll take. I want you to upload 3 to 5 thematically similar photos. I want you to create a set with those photos. And finally, I want you to invite Mark to view your photo stream. Thank you very much for listening to this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope it was informative.